Hi everyone, this is Umair from Simple Tutorials. Today we will be discussing about how to add product description in Shopify. So before we dive in, you can head over to the link in the description to simply donate to our channel. So here as you can see, we have a couple of steps in here to add our description. So description is quite simple to add. You simply need to head over to your products that you have added already, and you have basically that editing option there to customize. So you can see from your Shopify admin, go to your products. From the products page, click on add product and enter your title for your product along with additional details, which are going to be of course details and all that stuff. So once you add your details, you will be able to see you can add your description as well. Of course, finally, when your description is added, you can click on save. Eventually your product description will be added. And yeah, so that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe if you find it helpful. Also, you can head over to the link in the description to donate. See you guys around in the next one, and yeah.